In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an order tracking page on Wix, making it easy for your customers to check their orders anytime. Start by opening your Wix Editor and navigating to the app market. Use the search bar to look for keywords like order tracking, track order, or tracking page. Popular options include tracking page by click apps or track order by certified code. Choose the one that fits your needs and click Add to Site to install it. Once installed, it's time to place the tracking page on your site. You can create a dedicated page called Track Order so it's easy for visitors to find. Next, configure the app to match your store's requirements. Set up your tracking number format, select the carriers you use, and make sure everything aligns with your shipping methods. Don't forget to customize the design, adjust colors, fonts, and layouts so the page matches your brand. When everything looks good, publish your site and run a test. Place a test order and enter its tracking number to ensure the page works perfectly for your customers. And that's it. You now have a fully functional order tracking page on Wix, giving your customers a seamless way to monitor their orders. Thanks for watching and happy selling.